don't think this is gonna help anybody out, but like honestly, this is just a test for me. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Shyrayel. I don't think I've ever said my name in a video. People always ask me how do they say it, and it's Shyrayel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did my spin on the Passion Bohemian. I think this is more of a passion twist. I'm not perfectly sure because the method I use is different than other people's. I tried a combination of a few people's, but yeah, I got this result. So it's not really a tutorial. It's kind of like a go with the flow type thing. It's kind of like watch me do it and probably watch me fuck up. But if y'all would have seen me last night, oh my god, you would have been like, bro, just give up, because nothing was coming out right. But yeah, it does take a long time for me because I pre-parted it and put the braids in. I didn't do the rubber band method, I did the crochet. And then I ended up not liking the braids, so I took the braids out and so altogether it took me like 12 hours because I started yesterday and then I ended up waking up and then redoing some of them today. So don't be like me. Make sure you have the method, make sure you test it out, and you know how to really work with it. So in the video I didn't mention my products, but the products I did use while I was parting my hair and putting them in braids was this SheaMoisture Strengthen Restore Lock and Braid Butter. I put that in first and combed my hair out, and then I put in Carol's Daughter Mimosa Hair Honey. I just got this and honestly it's fire, and it's for your it moisturizes your scalp, controls frizz and stuff like that, and it smells really good. So every night I'm just gonna put some of this on my scalp so my scalp doesn't get too dry. And then to hold my braid, but I ended up taking the braid out, but still it still stayed to hold all this, like, you know, the parting and stuff. I used Let's Jam Protein Shine Mega Hold. Never used this before. It smells good and it works. So with that being said, this is the look. I hope you guys are able to somewhat follow what I'm doing. Again, it's not a tutorial. I'm not really trying to teach you how to do it. I'm just showing you how I did it, and yeah, these tutorials are hard to follow. So all right, with that being said, let's just jump into the video. So let me show you what I'm not gonna show you what I was doing because I don't even know what I was doing. That was just something else. So I'm gonna show you the way that I found to look better and to look a little easier. So I already sectioned these off earlier. So I'm gonna take one. Y'all, this takes a lot of patience. I did use a crochet needle. This needle does not like my hair. It kept pulling my hair, and I don't know, like, this is the first time I use this crochet needle, so this is not really a tutorial. This is just like a try it with me because I'm failing. All right, and this hair kind of does tangle up a lot, but so I'm gonna take two. Like, it feels really smooth, but then when you like untangle it, sometimes it'll go smooth and sometimes it will just rip apart and get annoying and get knotty. So I'm taking two strands like this, and I'm just gonna put them together, kind of make sure they're the same length. And then I'm going to twist the top and put it in my fingers. All right, and now take my crochet needle, put it on the bottom of the braid, put it up, put that through the loop. See, this is where I have issues. This thing never wants to latch. All right, see? take that loop, put everything, even your other braid, pull it through, and then pull that hair through. So you make like a little knot. But I've been just pulling it really tight just to make sure it stays, and to flatten it out because this is so wavy, I don't know, it's just hard for me to make these knots. Alright, now I'm gonna just separate this braid. So honestly, to save yourself so much time, don't even braid it unless you have like thicker hair, because this hair is not that thick to be hiding my braid. I mean, if your hair is thinner, do it, but like my braids were kind of thick and I didn't want them too small. Like I didn't want my parting to be too small. So I was just nervous that it was gonna come out too frizzy. But honestly, doing it like regular with my hair in it doesn't look that bad. All right, so I'm gonna leave a little bit of the braid in, if you can see it. And then I'm going to separate these. I'm telling you, sometimes they separate really nice and sometimes they separate like freaking trash. Like they don't like you, they don't want to be separated. Alright, so when you have your section, just split it in half. Well, actually, I've been doing more hair on the side of your hair so it can hide the hair more, so your hair is not too much exposed. And then like a little bit smaller of a part on this side. So thicker where your hair is, so it can hide your hair a little bit more, and then a little bit smaller on the side. I don't think this is gonna help anybody out, but like honestly, this is just a test for me. All right, and then you're just gonna wanna twist like a normal twist. It doesn't have to be like super uniformed and tight like a single-piece twist. So you could kind of just, go down, but you want it a little tight so it holds. Good thing I switched up now because I like how it looks in the front. The back is like okay. I don't mind it as much. But like I just wanted to make sure the front was, good. If you guys have the patience, I would say do your hair. Do it yourself. It's kind of therapeutic, low key, but like it's just time consuming. And you could get frustrated very fast. But once I start something, I have to finish it. Like, I don't know why, especially when it comes to hair, I have to finish it. Okay, again, take your crochet needle if it likes you, because it doesn't like me. Put it under. Latch onto it. Close the latch. And then slide that baby through. Wow, that was the easiest I've ever had in this whole entire experience. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did go in and touch up a few of them that were looking a little too dready and that were really stiff, and I just took them out. Not this one. This one like is still stiff. I'm probably gonna go in tomorrow and fix the rest in the back, but the ones that were really bothering me in the front, I had to fix. But I just unraveled them and then took the braid out and then just twisted them down. But this is the look. I actually like it. It's not really that heavy. It feels, I mean, it's heavy because of the dreads, the dread ones I put in the bag. But the front ones are really light. But I just wanted to show you guys the finished look. And yeah, that's it.